A sitz bath is a therapeutic bath where only the hips and buttocks are soaked in warm water. It is often used to relieve discomfort or pain in the lower part of the body, particularly the genital, anal, and perineal areas. Sitz baths are often recommended in hemorrhoids to relieve pain, itching, and inflammation. In postpartum recovery, after childbirth, especially if there were stitches or a tear. In anal fissures, to promote healing and reduce pain. After surgery, to promote healing after procedures involving the lower part of the body, like hemorrhoidectomy or episiotomy. And in infections or irritations like urinary tract infections or perineal dermatitis. You can take a sitz bath using either a bathtub or a specially designed basin that fits over a toilet. Here are the steps when using a sitz bath basin. Place the basin over the toilet seat. Fill the basin with warm water as per the package instructions. Add about 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt or table salt to a sitz bath basin. Sit comfortably on the toilet, ensuring that the perineal area is submerged. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Empty and clean the basin thoroughly after use. A sitz bath offers several benefits, especially for people experiencing discomfort in the genital or anal region. It can soothe irritation, inflammation, or itching, especially after childbirth, surgery, or conditions like hemorrhoids. The warm water can increase blood flow to the area, which can speed up the healing process. It helps in reducing swelling from conditions like hemorrhoids, episiotomies, or anal fissures. It helps keep the perineal area clean and free from infections. The warmth of the water can relax the muscles, reducing spasms or cramps in the pelvic area. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative health content. Stay tuned for our next video.